A remote job near you can vary depending on what kind of work you want to do. For example, you may choose to work in a distribution center or retail store. You could even work in a corporate office. You might even prefer to work in cybersecurity or product management. Regardless of what you'd like to do, you can find a remote job near you that will fit your lifestyle. And you can always work from home if you'd like. Hello, and welcome to the Marketer DNA YouTube channel. Willie Desjarnet will navigate you through this video. He will discuss finding remote jobs with little experience near me on Indeed.com. Also, he will provide the link to the site at the bottom of the video.
Hey guys, before we get into the training, I would like for you to like and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, I have a system that will help you triple your email list in a matter of no time. Guys, take a look at the link that I have below, and if you can't remember, it's tripleyouremaillist.com. guys. Take a look at that link so you can triple your emails in your email box in a matter of no time. I'll see you in the training.
Okay, everybody. Tonight I want to do a video on remote jobs near me, and that's how I'm gonna title it. So when you go to this site, and you know I did a video last night on Indeed, I just wanted to do this one on just in case you wanted to do a remote job that's near you. So you go ahead and you type remote, and we're gonna type remote. And I live in Hattiesburg area. I live in the Hattiesburg, Mississippi area. But we're gonna do this, and let me tell you something. When you actually search for remote jobs near yourself, or near, like I said, near me, it's gonna only find the nearest job near you. So you may not have a remote job in your state or in your city or whatever. It's gonna pick the remote job that's near whatever city that you live in. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna look at some jobs today. All right, cool. Now, nice little deal. Now, like I said, we're gonna look at some jobs, and it may not be in your area, but if you want to look for something locally, or you say it's locally, you can do that. You can do that, and I'm just showing you how to do that, and we're just gonna navigate on a few jobs. Now tonight, I basically want to try to stay with jobs that has little no experience. And when I say little no experience, not have all the accolades to get the job. You know, if you can come in and have a good resume, regardless of little or no experience, you do need a resume. This is the bottom line. So if you're watching these videos, you do need to get a resume put together, and keep tweaking it and keep tweaking it till you get it right. Okay. So this job right here is kind of a office clerk. It's kind of ITTI School of English. So you kind of an office clerk that you might want to do. And guys, it pays pretty good, $21 to $26 an hour. That's pretty good, full time, and they do have part time. And the number of hires for this role is 2. Qualification: high school or equivalent to preferred. Customer service, at least 1 year preferred. U.S. work authorization. So I'm trying to stay with jobs that you can easily obtain, but you got to make sure, and like I've always said in my videos, if you consistently watch them, you have to have some kind of skills. Do not come in thinking you can just get a job and not have skills, because they want you up and working. They don't want to spend a full year to train you on these jobs. This is not one of these type of jobs. And then you should go in the criteria and try to obtain some kind of skill. Let's talk about this. Benefits. Let's talk about health insurance, dental, 401k, vision, flexible schedule, and life insurance. Very, very positive for a person, especially for a young person that wants to do a remote job. So that's pretty good. And I won't go through everything. I want to read some of it to explain so you can get an idea of what this particular job is. This is We're looking for an effective office clerk, has the ability to work diligently to help maintain smooth office operation. You will undertake a variety of activities in the office, ranging from filling and answering the phones to basic bookkeeping. Now, I did talk about no experience. Now, this is not one of those non-phone deals. You may have to do phones, and I didn't title this as a phone deal. I just want to make sure I title it right. So you come in, make sure you have files, records, remain up to date and easy accessible. So, and what I do is, if you were doing something like that, I will grow in being truly organized if you just ain't superior in being organized. But to keep a job like that pays $21 to $26 an hour, that's pretty good money. So you will want to get this job, and you want to get better in it if that's not what you do. Then it says proven experience of an office clerk or other clerk positions, familiar with office procedures and basic accounting principles, work knowledgeable on office device and process, fast typist with known inner strength and taking dictations. So another thing, here's the next one that I always like to talk about. It is very good knowledge of Microsoft Office. I always tell people, when it comes to this, you want to be proficient in Microsoft Office. You want to do that. That is a very good, skill set to have. And in Microsoft Office, if I can remember, it came out in 1993. It was in the early 90s, and it's been going on ever since. And pretty much everybody that's in the work field is actually using it. So you want to make sure you're tracking on that. Now let's go to the next job. Let's go over here to the next job. So you'll be able to come in and look at this. Let's go over here and let's go to admin clerk. Wow. And this says urgency hiring. So they need somebody now. It's got number 3 of the hiring for the role. Okay. And that's a $19 to $29 an hour job. So that's a lot of growth. That's close to $30 an hour for a remote job. That is excellent. Most of your remote jobs so far, it's exactly when I talk about help deal or service person on the help, they under $20 an hour. This is a pretty good job. What they're asking for is high school equivalent customer service. Yeah, that's pretty good. And I didn't even say this is a Remedy Health and Wellness place. So that's what it is. It's a health and wellness place. They got health insurance, dental, 401k, part-time off, life insurance. Okay. Yeah, this is a pretty good job. When it got close to $30 an hour, that's a pretty good job. They even got preference hours from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Let's talk about the responsibilities. They prefer general clerical work, include but not limited to answering of the phones, greeting and assisting walk-in customers, distribution mail, and general data entry. Let me just make sure that they're still remote. I don't know how they will work that, but yeah, pretty good. Providing internal and external customer service via phone, email, and personal. Respond to inquire, take messages, and refer to inquire to the most appropriate parties when necessary. With a job that pays this good, and I reiterated this like I did on my previous video, guys, if I was you and you look at these jobs, I will go ahead and get a PC. Don't have to be brand new. It can be still a Windows 10 computer. Don't have to be tremendously souped up. $200 to $300 computer, refurbished, you can get from Amazon. And I would designate that computer only for work. I wouldn't have nothing on there for work. And then another thing, I didn't say this in my prior videos, I will get an external hard drive. You can get, man, now you can get 4 terabytes for $100. So invest $300 in your work and bag your important files up on that actual external drive. Be professional. I would invest in that. I would invest in that, and I will let the company know that that's what I have, and I will protect it with my heart. This is your job. This is your livelihood. So you want to make sure you protect it. So you want to go out and get a designated computer for this particular job. This is a pretty good job, and I want to tell you. And I know I was here 2 days on Indeed. Indeed has some pretty good jobs. They got 10, 12, 8-hour shift, Monday through Fridays, weekends availability. I don't know. You have to get with the company on this. So yeah, high school. They see, we're not dealing with actual jobs that's that's required degrees, so you can come in and get you something like this. So let's go ahead and look at one more, and I'm debating which one I want to mess with, and you can come here and look all you want to. Let's look at this one here. Let's look at this one. This one here is almost close to 50,000. I think I've done one on here. Yeah, I think I've done one on here on this particular job. It's still open. So let's go to another one. Let's go to another one. And this one here is in the Ohio region. And of the 3 that we're talking about, this one's probably gonna be the lowest one. This one starts out at $16 an hour. But what it does is fraud prevention customer service. It's a remote job. It's in New Albany, Ohio. So what it entails is full time. They got all your benefits, savings, 401k, insurance, health insurance, and things of that nature. So let's go ahead and look. Wow, they have a sign-on bonus up to $2,000. I don't know how that works, so we can do that. That's pretty good. Yeah, sign-on bonus. Yeah, then they offer. Yeah, they got a pretty good deal. I just want to make sure I thumb through it to make sure we tracking. And they have some stuff to train you. Not bad, not actual bad. Yeah, they got shift requirements, 9:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. and it starts out at $16 an hour. So that lets me know as you progress and get better, you can get better here. They got a lot of things that you need to go through. Yeah. And so they're trying to detect fraud. Card member fraud. Yeah, I mean this is probably a pretty good job that you probably got to take it. You got to take this job serious. But it doesn't take that much to get. It's a high school diploma to do that. And they say a year in call center, customer service, quiet workspace. That means when you're working, you need to keep people from coming in your little room for what you're doing. Personal smartphone, tablet. So, but yeah, come in here and look at this one. Still a remote job. I try to not pour so many jobs up at one time. I try to do 3 to 5 and not have a extensive list, so you can come through and kind of work on it. Now, we're not dealing with this one right here, but you can come in and look, we're dealing with the fraud prevention customer service. But this basically all the jobs that I'm going to have for you tonight. I just want to kind of let you know you can look for jobs that's near your area. But like I said, if they're not jobs near you, they're going to come, and the way you scroll to this Indeed site, it's going to scroll to the nearest one that's remote, because you got to realize we're dealing remote. We're not actually going into the scene. And the reason why I kind of turned my YouTube channel towards jobs is because of the pandemic and the way we probably gonna have to live. So more and more companies gonna head to online, and they eventually they're gonna make it work. So I'm just trying to prepare the audience that's coming to this channel to start getting ready for online work. So guys, I hope this video was instructional enough for you to go out and get you a job. And also remember, make sure you apply yourself and get you some skill sets. Take care, and let me get a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next training.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and leave some comments just to let me know what you thought of the video and what I could do better. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next training.